Hey, Jason K here. I am in Erie, Colorado at the Westerly development. Behind me is the SLC model homes. We have 3 of them to go see. SLC stands for Southern Land Corporation. So let's flip it around and go take a peek, shall we? So we're going to be entering through what is actually the garage, because that's the sales office. Actually, let's try the front door. It might even be open. I much prefer that. So there's the elevation of the home. You might recognize some of these homes over there. Those are from Brightland. So let's head into SLC. Simon says, we're lucky. So again, love the sitting patio with the views, watching the world go by. First floor office. Just to give you a little bit of info on the home that we are in. This is the StonHaus 2 elevation, a 3-bed, 3-bath, 1,900 square feet, unfinished walkout basement. And these go in the mid-9s. So first floor bedroom is always nice. This being the model home and SLC, they do things slightly differently. Each home is priced individually. And of course, you get to customize as you see fit. Puppy snacks as well as human snacks. They did the Xeriscape yard in the back. Easier maintenance. You can, of course, always put turf in if you so desire. And main floor. Again, ranch, tall ceilings. This one specifically cathedral. Built-in speaker system optional. Wash closet. Hi. Just imagine having all your stuff in this size walk-in closet with the laundry literally next door. Open the door, toss the laundry into the laundry room. Nice feature, even with a drop down. And we have a nice little coat closet. And as you all know, my favorite room in the house, which is now the sales office, which would be a 2-car garage. All right, let's head downstairs. Being the model home, they did finish this one. Hence, prices are all different. Nice size game room. This looks like the finishes gallery. It is the finishes gallery. So if you're wondering what you can do with your faucets or exterior or electric car charging, here you go. These are all the options that SLC offers. Got a wave, it's a mirror. So in case you're wondering, in order for a room to be a bedroom, you have to have an egress window where it's about that high and about that wide, a door, and a closet. And it's a good sized closet. I can see teenagers coming down here and escaping. Another bath. Linen closet. And I'm guessing unfinished and utilities. Fairly decent space still to store stuff. Well, it's a ranch. What I love about ranches is they go quick. So as always, live your best life, and I look forward to seeing you on the next home. Thanks so much. Have a great day. And in case you're wondering where we're going next, it's model number 2 next door. As always, tell me what you think of this home in the comments below. So you can give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. I'm always here to help you in your home search journey. And even if you're just unsure about what to do in order to get a home or what the process looks like, I can help. It may be more within your reach than you think. And while you start your home buying journey, learn how we can help save you anywhere between $25,000 to $100,000 or more. I'll go over all the programs that are available for you, whether it's a first-time buyer or more advanced techniques that investors favor. I can show you how to literally save thousands and thousands of dollars. You want to know more? Book a time on my calendar with the link below, or give me a call, or shoot me a text, or send me an email. My name is Jason Kay, and I'm your local Boulder Valley realtor, and I can't wait to show you around. Don't forget to click that like button and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. And always, live your best life.